Hello, today we'll be walking you through how to create a keyword. A keyword is a word or short phrase that new subscribers can text to opt in for your messages. To create a keyword, select Signups on the navigation bar on the left-hand side, then select Keyword Signups. Within this section, you will select Create Keyword on the upper right-hand corner of the page. First, we will fill out the keyword field. This will be the word or phrase that you would like new subscribers to text to opt in. A keyword must be 4 characters in length, is alphanumeric, and is not case sensitive. Please note that your keyword must adhere to our terms of use and may not include anything that can be considered offensive. The description field is an optional field for your use only. There are 2 different opt-in methods. Double opt-in, after a keyword is text, customers are required to reply with yes or no to confirm notification opt-in, or single opt-in. After a keyword is text, customers are opted in to receive communications. If you would like to use single opt-in, select Disable in the drop-down menu, and if you would like to use double opt-in, select Enabled. Now we can select which distribution list we would like to add these new subscribers to. To do this, select the plus icon to select or create a new list. In this case, we will select an already existing distribution list by selecting the checkbox next to the list name. Click Save. Select an organization name by selecting the drop-down menu associated with the organization name field. The organization name you select here will appear in your auto response. To create the message that new subscribers will receive when they opt in, select the button that says Set Auto Response. Now, just type in the message in the text box that says, "Please enter text message," and click Save when you are done. If you would like to capture some data from new contacts such as their first name, you would select the drop-down labeled, Select the data you would like to capture. In the drop-down, select the specific data that you would like to capture. Note that you will now have an auto response generated that will ask for contacts to provide their first name, and a message after their first name has been received. Select Create. After you've created your keyword, you will notice that the status of your keyword is pending. If the keyword is pending, this means that the keyword and your auto response are being reviewed to make sure it does not contain any prohibited content. Please allow some time for this status to update. You can check the status by refreshing or coming back at a later time. Once your keyword has a status of active, this means that it is live and people may text this keyword. If it is denied, you will need to delete and recreate the keyword. That is how you create a keyword. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this helpful.